As the sun rises over this facility, the day begins for the millions of turkeys processed here every single year. Inside these modern transport vehicles, temperature is precisely controlled. Our team follows strict protocols for
Controlled environments are crucial for quality meat production. By maintaining calm, low-light conditions, we significantly reduce stress.
Precision grading is essential in large-scale food manufacturing.
Ensuring the highest standards of ethical and hygienic processing is our priority. Advanced automation and as the birds exit the primary drum, high-pressure water sprays ensure a thorough rinse before they move to the secondary defeathering stage.
We implement strict sanitation protocols, using advanced washing stations and purified water to guarantee food safety.
Welcome to the quality control checkpoints. Our trained technicians meticulously inspect each bird on the line, removing any imperfections before the product moves forward.
Utilizing advanced robotics allows us to maximize both speed and accuracy, thereby significantly reducing waste across the entire processing line.
The USDA is committed to ensuring the safety of our nation's food supply through rigorous testing and steadfast regulation.
This rapid chilling process is essential for temperature control, significantly inhibiting bacterial growth and ensuring product safety.
Utilizing advanced cryogenic systems, the internal temperature plummets from 200 degrees Fahrenheit down to a safe 40 degrees in minutes.
As the turkeys move along the seasoning lines, they are prepared for the marination tanks, initiating our signature flavor development process.
To ensure flavor consistency, each carcass is precisely injected with our signature brine solution, a process monitored for exactitude every step of the way. This tumbling process uses kinetic energy to accelerate marination. The vacuum environment opens the pores of the meat, drawing
the benefits. Utilizing our proprietary flavor recipes, these industrial mixers blend the salt, herbs, and
fresh rosemary, crushed peppercorns, and vibrant paprika are meticulously layered, locking the flavor deep into the skin for maximum taste. Utilizing advanced precision technology, the system guarantees that each turkey is weighed to the exact standard before roasting.
We now begin the roasting phase, utilizing intense heat to rapidly cook the turkeys to perfection.
The key to the golden skin forming is precise management of the time, the temperature, and the airflow control.
Monitoring the internal temperature is key. As the colors shift, we track the heat distribution, ensuring the turkeys.
The automated system precisely manages the roasting environment, ensuring optimal temperature and humidity levels for a perfect roast every time.
We take these birds raw, and through our expert process, transform them into this perfectly golden, sizzling masterpiece, ready for you.
Effective supervision ensures optimal performance. Operators monitor every variable.
As you can see, the temperature curve is holding steady right on target.
We highlight consumer expectations by ensuring the skin is perfectly golden brown and irresistibly crisp every time.
Now we let the turkeys rest. This allows the juices to redistribute and the temperature to stabilize before we begin carving.
Gradual cooling protects the texture of the meat, preventing it from becoming tough and maintaining moisture and tenderness.
Always double-check the thickest part of the meat. Once the probe is inserted correctly, wait for the temperature to stabilize, confirming final doneness.
Our machines offer complete customization for various market formats, precisely slicing and portioning turkey products to meet specific client needs. Utilizing our automated carving technology, we achieve perfect, uniform slices every time, dramatically increasing efficiency and consistency. Human oversight is the unseen force behind automated precision, as workers meticulously inspect every portion to remove defects.
Our high-speed machines utilize advanced vacuum technology to lock in flavor and preserve freshness longer than traditional methods.
This process removes all the air, extending the shelf life of the turkey while maintaining its flavor and freshness.
This process, known as modified atmosphere packaging, replaces the ambient air with a controlled gas mixture to inhibit spoilage and maintain freshness.
Ensuring complete traceability means tracking every ingredient from source to shelf, captured in these batch codes and dates. Implementing digital tracking allows workers to effortlessly scan barcodes, logging critical data directly into the inventory system in real time.
These premium roast turkeys are stored at optimal temperatures, And our advanced logistics system ensures they move efficiently.
As the doors seal on these temperature-controlled units, they connect the next crucial link in our robust distribution network, ready for nationwide delivery.
Utilizing a robust global network, we track the supply chain from the processing facility all the way to the distribution center.
From the factory floor straight to these shelves, we've optimized the distribution chain to bring you the freshest roast turkey products available.
Here we see the crew beginning the intensive hygiene cycle. High-pressure water and specialized detergents are used to eliminate contaminants from the machinery.
Utilizing saturated steam significantly reduces the risk of bacterial buildup, a key step in our contamination prevention protocol.
Ray lips. Our quality assurance process involves comprehensive testing of turkey samples, utilizing both microscopic.
Preventive maintenance is essential for maximizing the lifespan of these industrial roasting ovens. Regular checks prevent costly downtime.
As you can see on the chart, proper PPE isn't optional. It's the law and site policy. Ensure your gloves are secure before handling rebar.
Utilizing these state-of-the-art energy-efficient systems, including both solar panels and our heat recovery units, is central to our sustainability goals.
This facility represents a major step toward our zero-waste goals, efficiently converting all byproducts into usable compost and animal feed.
By implementing advanced water recycling systems like this one, we ensure a sustainable future. Environmental responsibility starts here.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the machines here forge the future. An industrial empire stretching as far as the eye can see.
The shift from traditional drum roasting into industrial systems dramatically increased efficiency and consistency.
Quality you can see in every slice. The meat is exceptionally tender, roasted to absolute perfection.
Plating for advertising demands precision. We brush the glaze for the perfect sheen and meticulously place every garnish to maximize appetite appeal for the camera.
We've optimized the line to meet our Q3 targets, pushing for a 15% increase in daily output.
These measures. Teamwork isn't just a concept here, it's how we operate. Every shift change is a chance to reinforce our commitment to quality and collaboration. Welcome to the future of technology. These autonomous units operate in perfect harmony, driven by advanced algorithms.
This is the essence of the smart factory, leveraging AI and real-time data analysis to optimize every stage of production.
The emergency transfer switch activates immediately, ensuring continuous power flow.
This consistency control data clearly illustrates the difference in our quality comparison tests. Batch A varies widely, while
notice the high protein content highlighted in yellow. But be mindful of the calorie count. It's essential to balance both for effective meal planning.
Proud to bring this holiday feast to your table.
It looks absolutely delicious. Thank you.
To meet the unprecedented holiday demand, we've initiated a seasonal production surge. The Tusk 4000 lines are accelerating to maximum capacity.
First fourplex. Even at this hour, the facility operates at peak efficiency. Our continuous production model runs 24/7.
Building expertise on the new machinery starts here. Focus on the interface controls to develop the necessary muscle memory for precision manufacturing.
The centralized control system gives us real-time visibility across all stages. We can track the flow through the yellow and orange segments seamlessly.
All personnel should familiarize themselves with the location of first aid stations and automated external defibrillators.
Achieving this level of crispness is key to the sensory quality. The texture should audibly shatter, creating those perfect little flakes.
We're seeing strong positive feedback regarding value and new features, though some areas like delivery still need improvement. Our export packaging meets all international standards for long-distance shipping, compliant with ISO, ASTM, and ISTA requirements.
During a regulatory audit, thorough documentation is essential. Our team meticulously reviews every aspect to ensure full compliance with the latest standards.
Growing demand means growing capacity. Our new state-of-the-art factory is being built around the clock to ensure we continue to deliver.
From raw to magnificent, let's explore the transformation.
The skin is incredibly crisp, yielding to the knife, while the breast meat remains exceptionally moist and tender.
As you can see behind me, the scale of this operation is truly immense. We're now processing over 1,000 units every single hour.
Daily production has now exceeded 15,000 units. The efficiency rate is holding strong at 92%,
To guarantee recipe accuracy, we rely on the digital scale. Tapping the spoon ensures we capture the exact weight required.
We did it, team! 1 million units produced. That is a new record for this facility.
When a fault occurs, a systematic approach is crucial for rapid diagnosis and resolution.
With our pre-packaged turkey roast, holiday cooking is a breeze. Simply slide the aluminum pan onto the rack.
Our unique process guarantees unwavering quality, ensuring the flavor consistency you expect every single time, before and after.
From our family to yours, we bring you the finest holiday centerpiece. Taste the tradition this Christmas.
The system continuously monitors air quality. Real-time data, like these CO2 levels, ensures a safe.
The primary benefit of integrating automation is the significant boost in precision and speed, ensuring consistent output around the clock. In environments this extreme, the air itself becomes visible. Temperatures here plummet far below zero, requiring specialized gear for survival.
By integrating real-time data, our forecasting model adjusts dynamically. This upward trend indicates
the animation demonstrates even heat penetration. As the heat transfers from the exterior, the temperature rises consistently.
The data clearly shows our export growth surging, demonstrating strong market demand in the USA, rapidly accelerating in China.
Here, the work never stops. This facility runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, powering global industry without pause.
Inspection complete. All parameters are within tolerance, and the final automated clearance has been issued. The shipment is approved.
Our waste heat reuse system captures energy from industrial sources and distributes it to communities for heating.
Welcome to the cornerstone of our employee welfare program, providing nutritious, subsidized meals for everyone.
We begin with a vision, meticulously sculpt the details, bring it to life on set, and refine it until the story is ready for the world.
Trust is the cornerstone of our legacy. It's why our commitment to quality is evident in everything we make, right down to the packaging.
Vacuum sealing ensures that this premium turkey maintains its quality from the moment it leaves the factory until it reaches your kitchen.
At the close of the shift, the production line powers down. We initiate the cleaning cycle, ensuring the facility is optimized and ready for the next rotation. Utilizing advanced data analytics and robotic systems, the next generation of food production is streamlined, efficient, and sustainable.
From the humble home kitchen to the sprawling factory floor, the scale of coffee roasting varies dramatically.
More than just a meal, this turkey represents a tradition steeped in history, bringing families together across generations to reflect and celebrate.
Our process emphasizes efficiency and safety at every turn, ensuring the highest level of quality control from start to finish.